Master the Wim Hof breathing technique. First, a warning. Don't practice this technique if you are in water or while you are driving. Find a comfortable, safe place to start. Welcome to a transformative journey where breath means power and mind unites with spirit. You're about to learn the Wim Hof breathing technique. Breathe in, breathe out. Seems simple, but it's more than an automatic activity. This breathing is the key to unearthing your inner strength. Your journey begins with the first round. Follow my lead. Breathe in deeply and exhale. Fully in but not fully out. Just comfortably out. We repeat the cycle 30 times while you feel the energy coursing through your body. After those 30 breaths, exhale and hold your breath for the recommended time, but never force retention. Make it fun, safe, and enjoyable. Relax and pause if you need more time, or skip to recovery breath if you need to breathe. Allow the silence to envelop you, to empower you. As you hold, picture the air circulating in your body, nourishing every cell. This is the moment of union where breath fuels life and serenity. When time is up, recovery breath consists in breathing in fully and holding for 15 seconds. Then breathe out. That's one round. You can do as many rounds as you feel like. A regular session lasts 3 or 4. Let's begin. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go with the flow of the breath. In. Out. Breathe in fully, not fully out. Make it circular. In. Out. Just keep going. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep going. Breathe in fully. Breathe in. Out. Keep going. Last one. Breathe in fully. Exhale and stop. No breathing anymore. You are almost there. Okay, recovery breath in 3, 2. Take a deep breath in and hold for 15 seconds. Exhale. Breathe normally. The session is over. I hope you enjoyed the exercise. Keep practicing this technique daily. Let your breath be your guide, your healer. Have a beautiful life.